Hello, friends! Did you buy the Air Max Susan and just have no idea how to wear the things? Has this ever happened to you? You see your shoes on the floor, but can't figure out how to put them on?
Hi everyone, I'm SBmitch and I'm going to show you how to wear the Air Max Susan.
Okay, so you got two shoes here, you put them in front of you. You got one shoe, you see it looks there, you put it on. Put it on your foot, and then you take the other one, put it on the other foot, and it looks good. I think it looks great on foot. Try them with long shorts. I don't know what they're called.
If you have a right foot and a left foot, you too can wear the Air Max Susan.
You're welcome. I know that was super helpful. It's really tough wearing shoes. People kept on asking, like, how do you wear the Air Max Susans? I'm like, okay, I'll just show you how, I guess. Hello, new folks, and welcome back, pals! Thanks for tuning in. I'm the lesser impressive of the two Mitchells in Chicago. There's actually probably more than two Mitchells in Chicago. But hey, I'm SBmitch. You can follow me on Instagram or Twitter at the handle on your screen right now. And then below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. It updates every Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can find things that I pull out of this box next to me and other things from other boxes that are there for sale right now. Hey, guess what? It's Beater Box Day, but first, pals in Ohana coming together, assembling. That's right, I've teamed up with someone that I'm honored to call a friend in Bryson, Untied Hawaii, to give the Ohana and pals a chance to win the Jordan 1 SB Los Angeles to Chicago in the size of your choosing between sizes 8 and 14. I mean, it makes sense. He loves Jordan 1s, I love SBs. I mean, duh. All you gotta do is subscribe to both of our channels, which I'm sure you may do already. Then give some follows to our respective Instagrams, at Untied Hawaii and at Ransom Note Sneakers. Links for those will be in the description. And then after you're done doing that, you go down, you comment your shoe size, where you're from, and done, or dunzo, however you're feeling, and you'll be entered. This contest is going on right now, so go ahead and enter, and it actually ends this Thursday, June 20th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is basically midnight. All the details and rules of this contest are down below. Give them a gander and then enter for your chance to win. Thank you so much, everybody. Good luck! Now back to the task at hand. That's right, I said it's Beater Box Day, and it is indeed Beater Box Day. This is a beater box from Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed membership-only beater box program. Awesome shop, still check them out, soulsupremacy.com. This box was $900 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. I was talking about Mitchell Trubisky earlier. For a grand total of $940. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money, but follow along with good pal Clarence. It'll be letting you know market value of every shoe coming out of this box according to data collected from secondary markets, and then we'll keep a tally of the entire box and break it down for you to show you how much I paid versus how much it's actually worth. So, let's open the thing, woo! First time using a knife, apparently. Boxes have been pretty good lately, not gonna lie. I mean, you guys probably watch Untied Hawaii, and you know, because he and I both get boxes, duh. I only do these videos because of that dude, so it's really cool to be doing a giveaway with him. So, shoes. There's some loose ones, let's pull them out. There's 3 loose shoes. So this first one we'll pull out. This is a size 11. This is an Air Jordan 13. This is the History of Flight 13s. Really clean, white upper, red outsole. These are worn, obviously, you can tell there's a little bit of wear. Some creasing on the toe box here. But overall, these are in good shape, and they should be because they're relatively new, but 11 is a good size in Jordans. That's my size. I don't really like 13s because these little pods on the bottom, but hey, whatever. Good first shoe, good loose shoe. Size 11, History of Flight 13s. 2 more loosies, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is a size, another size 11. This is an Air Jordan 12. I think this is the Bordeaux 12s that came out pretty recently. Yeah, it looks like 2017, so under 2 years old about. A little bit of a outsole discoloration, which I can definitely take care of, but these are lightly worn. No heel drag, not much wear or anything, just Kind of a weird color. I'm not really a fan of this kind of red, but no insoles. Oh man, do these not have insoles too? Those have insoles, but these ones do not have insoles, so that will definitely affect the value. There you go, size 11, BORDEAUX 12s. 12s, BORDEAUX 12s. And there's one more 12, and this actually has an insole. That's interesting, but it's a size 11 again. This is the class of 2003 Air Jordan 12 that came out last year, right? Really low pile suede on here. Nice green army-ish color. I mean, it's a green 12. That's basically all there is to it. It's a size 11. It's in decent shape. No box though. There you go. Size 11, class of 2003. Air Jordan 12. Okay. Whoa. So this is something that's in here. It's a Louis Vuitton sneaker of some sort. Well, there's that. It's a low top sneaker with some kind of zipper on it and some kind of like checkerboard thing going on here. Very lightly worn, a little bit around the outsole. I'm not good with designer shoes, I'm not gonna lie. Whoop, there goes the box. Your guess is as good as mine. Obviously, I'm gonna research it after I'm done filming this video, but this is a pretty clean shoe, I guess. What size is it? It says it's an 8, so I would assume it's like a 9, 9.5 type size. I don't really know. It is Louis Vuitton, so it's probably really high quality. I just don't know anything about fashion sneakers, so there's that. Some kind of Louis Vuitton something or other. I would imagine, just based on the fact that it's like a luxury sneaker, it's probably worth between 200 and 400 bucks. I don't know, that's kind of a wide range. But hey, whatever. Let's grab this. It's a Nike box. This is a size 9 Air VAPORMAX 95. Gee, wonder what this could be. Hey, look at that. This is a pair of the Air Max 95 Hot Red or Comet or whatever you want to call it. Supremacy purged a bunch of these shoes, so it's not surprising that the market on these is pretty bad, probably around 100 bucks, but it's a size 9, which is a good size, and it's a dead stock pair, so you can't really complain about that. Air Max 95 Comet or something good. Let's get some Adidas out of the way. This is a size, whoa. Ugh. Size 10 Ultra Boost W. No, it is not. Ooh, this is a super lightly worn pair. This is an Ultra Boost 1.0. This is the triple white, I think, in a size 9, a really good size too. These are a little bit worn, but not very much at all. I mean, my camera kind of weird, but you can tell by the prime knit on the toe box that this is indeed a 1.0. Really good shape. Super clean summer shoe if you're into that whole matching thing, but this is probably one of the better Ultra Boosts to get. Size 9, 1.0. Triple white. Whoops. And another Adidas. This is a size 9 again. Another Ultra Boost 1.0. Oh boy, do I forget the name of these. Maybe Mystery Gray? Something? I don't know. But again, it's a size 9. You can tell by the prime knit on the upper. It is a 1.0. Really lightly worn, just like the last pair. Probably came from the same seller, but people love boosts still. Nothing wrong with that. I'm not a fan myself, but I also have the world's goofiest feet. So size 9, Mystery Ink, Mystery Gray. I don't know the name of these. Ultra Boost 1.0. 3 more in here. This is a size 9 Kobe 8 system BHM. That's exactly what it is. This is the Black History Month Kobe 8s. Ooh, it's got the paper in there still. These are lightly worn, a little bit outsole wear. Kind of a wild colorway, really good size. You can see the Kobe logo on the tongue with BHM on the other side. Yeah, these are in really good shape. Really interesting upper on here. Great basketball shoe. Size 9 Kobe 8 BHM. 900 bucks. This is a good box. Woof. We got a size 10 Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. I'm a big fan of Jordan 3s. These are the 2016s. The 2016 release of the True Blue Air Jordan 3. These are super lightly worn. I mean, very little outsole wear. Still see the Nike Air on the insole, which is really good sign, means it wasn't worn very often. Super clean colorway. I'm not a huge fan of the colorway myself. I don't really like super white sneakers, but as far as an OG Jordan 3 colorway goes, this is really good. I'm a huge fan of the black cements myself. I have a pair, but these are really nice. Cool. Size 10, very lightly worn, a little bit of creasing on the toe box. Still a really good shoe. Doesn't look like there's any creasing or cracking on the paint either, but size 9 Jordan 3 True Blue from 2016, and it looks like we have a Jordan 4 as the last pair in here. It's a size 9 Air Jordan 4 Retro. Some kind of Air Jordan 4. It's some kind of like blue colorway with black and red. It says Cactus Jack on the heel tab. So this is probably some kind of collaboration with like a cowboy or like maybe a bounty hunter or something. No paint cracking, really good shape. Just a little bit of toe box creasing, but it's a size 9, which is a very good size. A Jordan 4. I'm sure it's not a collaboration with an extremely overrated musical artist. Cool, that is the box. There's a lot of shoes in this box. I'm a fan, but let's go ahead and give it a grade. Time to give this box a grade, and we get that grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pairs of shoes in this $900 Soul Supremacy beater box, and none of them are dead stock. Oh wait, one's dead stock. Doy. One of them is dead stock. 3 of them don't have boxes. Condition on this box will say about a C. Sizes, we have 11, 11, 11, 9, 9, 9, 9, I think, 9, 10, and 9. Sizes are phenomenal in this box. Sizes, I'm gonna say A. Hype/value. Overall, I think this box has great value, so hype/value on this box, I gotta give it an A as well. So with the grade of C for condition, the grade of A for sizes, and the grade of A for hype/value, this $900 Soul Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of A-. So I graded this box as an A- box, but hey, how are the numbers looking? Yep, here it comes. Woo! I'm really glad this box was good, because if you guys were coming over from Untied Hawaii's channel to see a terrible box, I would feel so bad. Remember to go down below, comment your shoe size, your location, and done, so you can be entered to win a pair of Jordan 1 SBs in size 8 to 14, whichever you choose, because that's a fun thing to do. And then also, if you're interested in any of these shoes, you can find them on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is ransomnotesneakers.com. And if you want to check it out, that would be cool. Thank you again. Thank you, Untied Hawaii. Thank you, everyone, and welcome all the new folks. Very exciting things to come. More beater boxes, more whatever the heck that first 45 seconds was, and probably a lot of other stuff too. So we'll see you soon. Till then, take care of each other, and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated, because that's the golden rule. And the golden rule is good. It's good, and I like it, and you should too. Okay, see you later. Good luck with the giveaway!